sa Google. Tingnan natin itong update ng Pi sa hokanews.com. The countdown is on, just 1 month left to secure your Pi. Oh guys, kailangan na talaga yung mag-secure ng Pi doon sa mga pioneers na nakapag-mina. So ibig sabihin dito, yung hindi pa nakapag-KYC is dapat mag-KYC na bago mag November 30. So need siya i-secure yung mga Pi coin na namina para hindi matunaw. One month left to secure your Pi. First grace period deadline, submit KYC application November 30, 2024. So wake up now, Pi pioneers, yung hindi pa nakapag KYC, pagsikapan nyo na makapag KYC, kasi sayang yung pinupost ng ng global consensus value is $314,159 nasa 17 million yun. Saka stable coin yan. Kung mayroon ka lang kahit na isang Pi lang, wow na yan. Wow na wow. Kaya good luck sa mga Pi coin holder. Pi News Pioneers. The countdown is on, just 1 month left to secure your Pi. Don't get left behind. Submit your KYC application by November 30. Pi Pioneers, submit your KYC application by November 30. Yung hindi pa nakapag KYC, ito na yun, 2024, to meet the first grace period deadline. Tag your fellow pioneers and spread the word.